Okay, let's bring this meeting to order. Pledge of allegiance. Pledge of allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay. We had an executive session held 11/4/2024 for legal code and personnel. Any visitors that would like to speak, please give your name, address, and organization that you're with, please. 3 minutes. Who would like to go first?
If you guys would give me 1 minute, I'd appreciate it. So the last meeting, I had interpreted something incorrectly, and after speaking with the attorneys, that's why I'm sitting over here tonight, and George is at the head of the table. So until a mayor is appointed, I'll be over here in the mayor's seat, and George will be the vice president. So, and that's pretty much it.
Thank you. Anybody else?
I guess I do.
Walter Woods.
Well, yeah. What does legal code mean?
I think there's supposed to be a comma in there.
Yes.
That still doesn't clarify anything.
We had a meeting with the attorney and some legal issues to discuss with him and his assistant to get things resolved.
Okay. And what's the personnel executive session part?
It was on personnel. That's all I can say.
Like, you're supposed to say more than that.
Okay,
Yeah,
so it was an executive session for a non-uniform employee. Personnel would be the non-uniform employee.
Termination or?
Possibility.
Okay. First question's answered. Anything being done about the stolen documents?
Not at the present time, no.
Okay. Who's the zoning officer going to be?
We will get to that. That will be
It's on the
next in that
Yeah,
report.
I know, but nobody will be able to comment on whether or not they think that person should be the zoning officer if they don't know who it is.
Okay. Her name is Leanne Ellingham.
Okay.
She is from Ralston, and she has a really good background, so she will be more likely to be the new zoning officer.
Excellent. I'm guessing Jeff has been sworn in by the magistrate?
Yes, he has.
Okay.
We have all the paperwork.
I assumed. There is a light across the street that's out, and there's a light going up not Bragg Road, the road, Lake Hill Road. South Minnequaw, but it is, and it's Lake Hill Road.
I
That's
will
also out.
I will have Dave get some numbers,
Okay.
and we'll get it taken care of.
All right, just want to let you know about them.
If by any chance you ever see those out, if you can get the poll numbers on them and then just forward them to the borough.
Just forward
Okay.
it.
It does help a little bit, so
Okay.
that they don't have to go chase it down and figure out which one, especially if it's one of those ones that flickers on and off.
Yeah, I think they're both blinking on and off. The one
It's
across the
probably
street.
more or less, it's probably the eye on top, and if that's what it is. Okay. Yes, Mr. McDonald.
With Mr. Schultz acting as the mayor, should the mayor position be reopened so that sitting board can vote on it?
That's a good question, Mac. I don't know. I think it has to go to the courthouse to come in place.
Yeah, but shouldn't have Mr. Schultz been acting as the mayor when that vote was taking place?
I think you addressed that at the opening of the meeting.
Yeah. So it's
What I'm
done.
saying is, because of that, should it not be reopened for new applicants?
So
We're working with our attorney to follow the proper procedure, and we're
I'm just
gonna
asking,
Yeah,
what's
I'm
the
trying to
procedure?
answer you. We're gonna try and follow through.
It just seems like nobody knows the procedures of anything.
Okay.
I don't know how the Court of Common Pleas will appoint it. However, it's 45 days from the vacancy. So Dean Vanderpool left whatever date, I don't have it on me. Council had 30 days to appoint, and then the vacancy board had 15 days after that. So because we're past that 45 days, and Mike, you can correct me if I'm wrong, there's not a whole lot we can do besides petition the Court of Common Pleas, correct?
That's true, under the Borough Code.
Okay, so my next question is, borough residents and businesses have been getting a surcharge to pay for the sewer lines that were put in years and years ago. There's a $3 charge for residents, $7 charge for businesses. Is that still going on? And how long will that go on for?
Until it's paid for,
How much is left on the loan and how long can the residents expect to keep paying for this?
that would have to be between Terry and the authority to get that figured out, Mac.
Because I asked other board members and they didn't even have a clue that was going on, so.
I mean, I don't know why they told you that it wasn't going on, but.
No, they didn't know we were being charged.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
taxpayers should have a right to know how much longer they have to pay on this loan.
Between Terry and Joey, or Terry and Ryan, we'll have something for you for the 18th meeting on.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Anybody else? Okay, if not, we will move on to number 4, the zoning officer vacancy, hire. Like I presented, like I told Mr. Wood, Leanne Ellingham, we had other applicants, but she's the only one that had any knowledge, any training, and has done this previously.
Old Lycoming Township.
She has done all Lycoming Township for how many years, Leanne?
Almost 2.
Almost 2. And she has all the training and everything that goes with her. So at this time, I am going to make the motion that we hire Leanne Ellingham to be our zoning officer. The starting pay will be $18 an hour. And that will be effective, she'll either start tomorrow or Monday, correct?
Correct.
So,
I'll second that.
any discussion?
Did we want to put anything on there for that 90 days?
Yeah, we can.
So I guess we could amend the motion to say that she'll be on a 90-day probationary period. And after that 90-day probation period, we're gonna reevaluate the wage and see how she's doing with getting some of this stuff taken care of.
Okay, roll call. Deanna,
Yes. Aye.
Joey,
Yes.
Brian,
Aye.
Jeff,
Yes.
Dave,
Aye.
and myself, aye. Okay? All right. Number 5, we want to authorize Terry Lamont permission to have administrative access to the training and certification system tags and MOPAC to be able to add and remove officers. So that way she can remove Chief Seeley and Officer Trent Wright.
All right, I'll make the motion to authorize Terry Lamont permission to have administrative access to the training and certification system, tax and MOPAC to be able to remove and add officers as needed.
I'll second that.
Okay, any discussion?
No, just let everybody know, they reached out to me and just wanted to get this done. That's why that's on there. We just need to get them removed from that. In the future, if we get a chief, I imagine they will be added on and be the primary, and then Miss Lamont or Mrs. Lamont would just be a alternate if need be.
Okay. Roll call, Jeff,
Yes.
Joey,
Yes.
Brian,
Aye.
Steve Africanelli,
Aye.
Deanna Watkins, myself, aye. Thank you. Okay, number 6, act on a letter sent to Amy on 8/13 of 2024. You all have a copy of what the lawyer sent us to do.
You're first, George.
What? Yeah.
Did you,
I will accept a motion to separate Amy Seeley from her at-will position as the borough manager and all other borough positions. Are there any other motions?
Yes. I move that the borough separate Amy Seeley from her at-will position as borough manager and all other borough positions, effective as November 10th, 2024.
Okay. Is there a motion on the floor? Is there any second?
I'll second it.
Any discussion? If not, there is a motion and a second. All those in favor on the motion say yay. All those opposed say nay.
Aye.
Yay first, please.
Aye.
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 Okay, aye. All in favor. So, the motion has passed. So effective tonight, this is November 10th, November 10th, Mrs. Seeley is terminated as the Borough Administrator, Secretary, and Borough Manager. Okay. So I guess at this point, if there's no more to be addressed,
I'll make a motion to adjourn.
second.
Can we,
I'll second that
the
one.
next meeting, do you want to announce that date?
The next meeting will be November 18th, 7 o'clock at the John Mosser Borough Building.
And the reason
Thank you.
being, because it's Veterans Day. So, just so you guys know. Thanks everyone for coming.
Okay. Now we can adjourn.
Miss Leanne, if you'd stand up so everybody can at least see your face, our new zoning officer.
Hi, I'm Leanne. If anybody has any questions or anything, I'm happy to talk to you.
I'll be well, that's a midnight.